Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you change PayPal on Temu. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Temu and then log into your account. So there you go, I'm just logged into my account here. So done. So what are you going to do now? So if I want to change my PayPal, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just make a purchase and go to the checkout page. So for example, let me add something to my cart. All right, I'll just add this to my cart here. Okay, so I'm going to I'll make a purchase this one. So I'll just add my cart, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the checkout option so that I can check out. So click on checkout. So once you get to this page here under payment methods, select PayPal, and then if you want to change your PayPal, so what do you have to do? Select the PayPal and then untick this remember my PayPal. So just untick that so that it doesn't remember your PayPal, so in future as well. So click on don't remember, and then what are you going to do? Click on submit order. Okay, and then when you get to submit order here what are you going to do? It's going to ask you for your PayPal login details. So here enter your PayPal ID and here, so click on it. So what you have to do, so whatever your PayPal ID is, so click on it and then log in with your PayPal ID. So whatever the PayPal ID that you want to log in with, so add that and then complete the transaction. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.